friends, welcome back to my channel. Last video we studied practice set 1.3 means decimal representation of rational numbers. Now in this video we are going to study irrational number. So what is meant by for irrational numbers? Let's see first. Irrational numbers means the numbers whose decimal form is non-terminating and non-recurring are known as irrational numbers. See here, you know square root of 4. I am writing here square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay, you know this square root of 4, 9, 16, 25, but square root of 2's value it is 1.414 like that way, and root 3 also 1.732050 like that way. Means it is in the form of non-terminating and non-recurring like that way. This is called irrational numbers. Okay, also perfect square number, you know 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Okay, and non-perfect square numbers, you know 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are non-perfect numbers. Means square root of non-perfect square numbers are irrational number. Means whose number you don't find out the square root. Okay, that numbers are called irrational number. Means root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 10 like that way. Okay, these numbers called irrational number. So now let's see practice set 1.4. in this practice set, see first question. The number root 2 is shown on a number line. Steps are given to show root 3 on the number line using root 2, and fill in the boxes properly and complete the activity. Here the number root 2 is shown on the number line. So let's see first how the number root 2 shown on a number line. See here, I am drawing here one number line. This is a number line. Root 2 means it's a positive number, so I am writing here 0. Okay, don't middle, so write here 0 and take 3 centimeter. Okay, which 3 centimeter? Here 6 means distance is 3 centimeter. You take, okay, 3, 3, 3, and here also 3. Okay, and then write 1, 2, 3, and it's a 4. Here also take 3 centimeter from LHS. Okay, and this is RHS. From 0 you take here 1 centimeter, means here minus 1, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay, and we here also we have to show which number? Root 2 on the number line. Then perpendicular line, you can draw perpendicular line, means straight line from 1. Okay, afterwards see here, I am taking again this 0 to 1. It's a 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter means 1 unit. So this distance same, any you can be take 3, 4. I am taking here 3 centimeter. It's the same distance you can be take from compass, and this point on 1 and draw the arcs. Okay, and draw the arcs again. Here is a, see, same distance, and draw the arcs on this perpendicular line. And suppose this point is, yes, which one? Suppose P, and draw this join OP. Okay, this O means here also O, here 0, and join this OP, then your which right angle triangle form. I am writing here which triangle? OAP. It's a right angle form. Okay, and this is 1 and this is 1, 3 centimeter, but it is a, suppose 1 unit taken. Okay, and then here this is, then OP is a hypotenuse, because A is a right angle, and you know opposite side of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So you put again this point on O, take OP, yes, length of OP, take distance, and draw the arcs from yes, P, draw the arcs through point P on the number line, up to number line. Sorry, this compass is loose, so don't be mistake. Okay, this one like that way. Okay, and that is your root 2. Suppose this is B point. Do you understand? This is root 2. Okay, so the number root 2 is shown on the number line. Here in first question, steps are given to show root 3 on the number line. Using root 2, fill in the boxes. Say here, after root 2, here which point? Root 3. So from root 2 again draw the perpendicular line here, and you will get root 3. You must draw in your notebook. See, again draw the perpendicular line from root 2. See, perpendicular line. Okay, this is perpendicular. Join, take which distance now? Again take same distance. Sorry, 0 to 1 is the same distance you take. Okay, and then draw the arcs. See here, draw the arcs and join this. Suppose here Q, and join this OQ hypotenuse. This OQ hypotenuse means here OBQ, this right angle form, and you put this point on O, take the length OQ and draw the arc through point Q up to number line. This is a root 3, and that is your C. Okay, understand? Hello, do you understand? That is root 3. See, this takes same distance, 3 centimeter. Now see this question. The point Q on the number line shows, yes, shows the number. This point Q shows the number root 2. I am right here root 2. A line perpendicular to the number line is drawn through the point Q, this, okay, and point R is at unit distance from Q on the line. Right angle triangle which ORQ is obtained by drawing OR. Okay, understand? OR is obtained by this this triangle ORQ is obtained by drawing OR, means this is right angle triangle ORQ. Now this length OQ is equal to root 2 and length QR, this is 1 because 0 to 1, yes, you know 3 centimeter taking 1. Then by Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equal to OQ square plus, you know, QR square. OQ means root 2 square plus, see here, plus QR which is 1 square. You know root 2 square. OQ is a root 2. Root 2 square, it's a 2. Root 2 square, it's a 2 only. Okay, because you know root 2 square means root 2 into root 2, root 2, root 2, root 4, and root 4 is always 2. So root 2 square is 2 plus 1 square, 1, 2 plus 1, it's a number 3, and this is OR square. So therefore taking square root, OR is equal to root 3, means this OR is equal to, this hypotenuse is root 3. Okay, understand? This construction here show, okay, like that way. After, do you understand question number 1? Now next one, show the number root 5 on the number line. Which number? Root 5. Same procedure. How you draw? Again you draw number line. See here, second sum, root 5. I am draw here, otherwise on the next page here, root 5. Draw the number line. Here write. See here, I taking here 3. Okay, that is suppose 0. Here minus 1, here 3 centimeter, 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, means here take 0 on LHS minus 1, 1, 2 and 3. Which number here? We want to show number root 5, means this is 2 means root 4. Okay, so after that number, means after root 4 it's a root 5 you will get. So first again perpendicular line draw. Okay, this is perpendicular line. Take 3 centimeter, which is very important, 3 centimeter distance. Okay, understand, means from otherwise 0 to 1, that is very important. Take 0 to 1 distance which is 3 centimeter, put on 2 point and draw the, yes, see again I am checking here, is it 3 centimeter? Sure, yes, and then here also checking. See, be carefully. Okay, and then you this one. Okay, again here join this 0 means O. So this hypotenuse, join this. Suppose this is again A and here B. Put this point on O. Draw the arcs through point A to number line, and see here, this is your, this is 2 means, yes, what is this? You know this is 2. This is number 2, and after 2 means root 4. For your understanding I am writing, and then this is root 5. This point, suppose this point is C. Okay, understand, this root 5 on the number line. Do you understand this? Now this is second sum. Now show the third one. Show the number root 7 on the number line. Root 7. So root 7, you know, Same, this second, again here repeat. Again you repeat downside. I am showing you in this construction, okay, in second construction. This is second, and here I am continue root 7 construction. So up to this you draw root 5. Again draw perpendicular line, okay. You draw new construction. I am doing here in this construction. This is again perpendicular line, okay. Take again 3 centimeter, same distance, put on this root 5, put on this root 5, okay. Same arcs on this perpendicular line. Again join this up to O. See here, up to O you join, and from O you draw the arcs. Suppose which point, this is a P point, and you draw this. See here, from through point P you draw this, and that is your root 5 after 6, okay. Understand? Suppose this is D, and then you again draw perpendicular line. See, it's very important, perpendicular line, okay. Again 0 to 1 distance, it's a very important distance to show irrational numbers. Draw arcs again here. Again draw this one, okay. Join this hypotenuse. Suppose Q, this is Q. Again you draw, put the point O and draw arc through point Q. See here, it's a very important, be careful. And through point Q draw the arcs on number line. That is your root 7, okay. Do you understand? Suppose this is point E, this is point E, I am writing here, okay. Understand? Now this practice set 1.4 is finished, and also lesson number 1 is finished. This is my 8th standards first 4 video. If you see and watch carefully, then you will understand lesson number 1, rational and irrational numbers. So previous videos you must watch carefully, okay. Understand? Then if you like my channel, then please share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.